Hello everyone. As you all know, tomorrow we are going to celebrate our 73rd year of independence. So I thought to have a short talk on how to celebrate Independence Day virtually. So here I am going to discuss about 5 points, 5 virtual ways how can we all celebrate with our family and friends this 73rd year of independence. Actually, none of us might have ever imagined that there will come an Independence Day where celebrating 15th August with friends and family would seem impossible. It is happening first time in everybody's life. Sure, we can have a feast at home, watch the Red Fort celebration from our small screen, means maybe through mobile, maybe through TV, televisions. But most of us could really use getting together with our extended family and friends right about now. Of course, getting together is still not the safest option. First of all, we are not permitted, and second, we should not do that. Why? Because this epidemic of COVID 19 is still on. So, the first way what we can do to celebrate this national festival, that most of us would probably by watching the celebration at the Red Fort anyway. So, why not watch it together with our folks? Because in a situation where everyone is locked inside and we're working remotely, it maybe it can feel lonely. So on this day, make sure you watch it with someone so that you enjoy it to the fullest. Second, just because we all are maintaining social distancing, we are at socially at distance, so it does not mean that you cannot have a movie night with your closed ones, with your loved ones that right now you are living with. So look for patriotic family friendly flicks to share, like Mother India, The Legend of Bhagat Singh, Border, Rang De Basanti, Lagan, and many more. Next comes in the list that even teachers should ask students to join in patriotic virtual activities like an online costume contest, theme party, asking the kids to explain independence concepts, organizing Independence Day quiz, or play fun games to celebrate this 73rd year of independence. Fourth one, you all can list out of all sort of patriotic songs like माँ तुझे सलाम, ए वतन, ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, and more with your friends to evoke a sense of pride and remind your closed ones to commemorate the Indian freedom fighters that who led their lives, and we are living in free country. Last point what I would like to share with all of you, that paint your social media with tricolor. That means the colors of our national flag, by clicking pictures with your family and ask your friends to do the same. So in this way we can celebrate this 73rd year of independence virtually with lot of enjoyment, lot of fun, lot of creativity. So it was all what I wanted to convey to my viewers. Hope they will be a proud part of this celebration virtually, and where situation permits, then really. With this, I sign off here today. We'll see next time with the topics on grammar. Thank you.